everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping in the dip powders from Color My World Dips, and we're going to be creating a cozy fall mani today. Speaking of cozy, we're diving right into this beautiful mauve color that is called Cozy. We are doing the gel method today, and we're going to keep this mani very simple today, and we're just going to see how all these colors perform, and you can already tell that they're very full coverage with that first dip. If you are dipping into these powders and not making press-ons, they are very buttery and velvety, so it's going to be a really great experience if you are dipping into these jars. These powders are super finely milled, and that color payoff is just phenomenal, especially because this is a solid color, so it's not chalky, streaky, or anything like that. It is a pure, just gorgeous mauve color here. And now we're going in with a second dip here, and this is really when you're going to see this beautiful color come to life, and it is just everything. Like, if I had to describe a fall mauve color, this would be the perfect fall color. And I really love the name Cozy. I just feel like you're going to be able to create so many manis with this color, and it's a great staple color to have, especially in those cooler weather months. You could do like a really fun sweater mani with that. But anyways, we're going to keep this mani super simple today so you can see all these colors perform in action here. So let's dive right into this mani, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
I want to do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. Catch a morning flight, join dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
Alright, so I'm just finishing up the filing and buffing here on this one glitter nail, and it was super easy to file and buff. I'm just cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge and just reshaping just a little bit, but these dip powders laid super flat to the nail. And then here's the rest of the filing that I did off camera. And then to seal in this mani, we're going to go in with a layer of gel base, and I can tell you right now that these powders were phenomenal to work with. Now we did 2 dips here, and you can definitely build up the color if you want to with a third dip, or if you're building up strength to your nail, but these colors performed amazingly, and I really love this combo. It's simple, but yet we have like this beautiful touch of sparkle with Starstruck. It's by far the most beautiful glitter. highly, highly recommend. Okay, and then I cured that for 30 seconds and finished up with a layer of gel top coat. But here's the finished mani. I love it so much. It screams fall to me. It's a great autumn fall transition mani. It's very simple, but yet we have this beautiful pop of sparkle, and these colors complement each other so well. They just have that perfect fallness to it. And like I said before, this mani would look awesome with like a sweater style mani with some nail art. Also, this would look really pretty matte, and then just having that Starstruck nail just glossy, that's another option. But again, options are endless when you're doing your nails at home. And Sedona is just the perfect terracotta orange color. It is everything, and I just completely love how this turned out. Sometimes the simple manis just like totally melt my heart. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next one.